morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Yes, I am also fine. Okay, welcome back to our online teaching. Today we are going to learn mathematics. We are going to learn a new unit, that is subtraction. Before, I want to introduce this book. This is our new books for mathematics. Okay, new book from Pearls Mathematics for Standard 3. The contents are the first one is place value, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Already we have learnt place value, addition. So in this I am going to teach you subtraction. What is subtraction of 3-digit numbers? Okay, children? Okay, now let me start with a question. What do you mean by a subtraction? What do you mean by subtraction? Yes, subtraction is nothing but taking away. Okay, subtraction means to subtract means to subtract means to take away. Take away. Okay, to subtract means to take away. Take away what? What should we take away? Yes, take away smaller numbers from larger numbers. Take away smaller numbers from larger number. Okay, what sign is this? Yes, this is called minus. Okay, minus sign is the symbol for subtraction, is the symbol for subtraction. Children, did you understand? Okay, I'll read once more. See, what do you mean by subtraction? To subtract means to take away. To subtract means to take away. What should we take away? Take away smaller numbers from larger numbers. Take away smaller numbers from larger numbers, and minus is the symbol for subtraction. Children, now let us see some important steps to be followed in subtraction. Some important steps to be followed in subtraction. See here, in the given two numbers, okay, in the given two numbers, find out which is greater and which is smaller. Okay, for example, I'll give you like this: 125 and 114. Okay, there are two numbers, that is 125 and 114. In this first step, what you have to do is find out which is greater and which is smaller. Okay, come on, tell me which is greater number and which is smaller number. Yes, 125 is greater number and 114 is smaller number. Next step to be followed is arrange the numbers, putting the greater number on top and the smaller number below that. Okay, next what you have to do? Arrange them. The greater number should be on the top and the smaller number should be down. For example, okay, we have to write like this: 125 minus, okay, this is the minus sign, 114. 114. Children, did you understand? Okay, we have to write like this. Children, now the next important step to be followed is, after arranging, okay, now subtract ones from ones tens from tens, and finally hundreds from hundreds below. Okay, we wrote like this, isn't it? First we wrote like this: 125 minus 114. Okay, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay, now the third step what you have to follow is subtract 1 from ones, 10 from tens, and finally 100 from hundreds below here. Okay, see here, 5 minus 4, that is like, think you're having 5 sticks. Okay, if you take away 4, the remaining is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Always start from this side. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, the important 1 minus 1 is how much? Okay, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. That I have written here. When we subtract, okay, the same number. Okay, when we subtract the same numbers, we get 0. Okay, now let's see one more important rule to be followed. When we subtract two numbers, the difference is always less than the bigger number. Okay, when we subtract the difference, okay, what is the difference? Difference means what, children? The answer what we get here is called difference. This is called difference. The difference is always less than the bigger number. It's always less than the bigger number. Now children, listen here. See, when 0 is subtracted from a number, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. For example, I say you, think you're having 5 chocolates with you, and if your mom tells, give 2 chocolate to your sister. Okay, how much you're having? 5. If your mom tells, give 2 chocolate to your sister, so you take 2 and give to your sister. Okay, think there are how many chocolates? 5 chocolates. Everybody loves chocolate, isn't it? The candies, yes. So think you're having 5 chocolates, and your mom says, give 2 to your sister. Okay, how much? 2. So you give 2 to your sister. So the remaining, how many chocolates do you have? You have 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have 3. The same way, think you're having all the same 5 chocolates with you, and mummy says, give 0 chocolate to your sister. Okay, give 0 chocolate. 0 means there's no value, isn't it? So you will not give anything to your sister. So what is with you? The same 5 chocolates is same with you. Okay, it's in your hand itself. The same thing here. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Like this. If I say 5 chocolates are there, if I say give 3 to your sister, so after giving 3 you will have only 2. The same thing if I say give 0 chocolate to your sister, means you are not at all giving anything. So it will remain the same. So the number will remain the same. The difference is, okay, this is the difference. The difference is the number itself. Did you understand? Okay, now see here. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. When 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number before. Okay, children, see the same example. Let's take the same example. You're having how many chocolates? 5 chocolates. The same 5 chocolates. When 1 is subtracted from 5, okay, the same thing. Your mom says you're having 5 chocolates. Give 1 to your sister. So how many you're giving? 1. So 5 minus 1 is how much? 4. 5 minus 1 is how much? 4. That is the difference. Okay, this is the difference. The difference is the number before. Before 5, what you get? 4. Before 5 is 4, whatever it is. Okay, now take, now for example we'll take 10. Okay, you're having 10 chocolates with you. If you give one chocolate to your sister, how much is there? 9. So the before number of 10 is what? 9. The difference, okay, this is the difference, is the before number. Okay, did you understand this? Okay, come to the next point. When a number is subtracted, okay, when a number is subtracted from itself, okay, very important, itself. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always what? 0. The same example will take, you are having, see, 5 chocolates. So your mom says, give 5 to your sister. So you give the 5 chocolates to your sister. Okay, so remaining, what you are having with you? Nothing. You will have only 0. Children, did you understand? When a number is subtracted from itself, okay, the same itself, the difference is 0. Children, now I am going to check whether you understood what I taught. Okay, did you understand? Okay, if you have understood, you should be able to answer this. Okay, remember the points what I told you to follow and answer with me. Okay, 54 minus 54. Okay, 54 minus 54. This is when a number is subtracted from itself. The difference is always what? I told you, when a number is subtracted from itself, that is 54 minus 54. What you get? Yes, right, you are right. You get 0. You get 0. See how? In rough column, if you 54 minus 54. 4 minus 4. Okay. There also the same number. If you minus, you get 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. So, the number itself, if you minus, you get 0. Next, 42 minus 41. 42 minus 41. This I said, when only 1 is the difference is. Okay. 42 minus 41. Let's see here. 42 minus 41. What you get? 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. For see, take 2. If you minus 1 is 1. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So your answer is 1. Okay, that is, you will get the before number of 42. Okay, before number of 42 is what? 41. Okay, 42 minus 41 is, you get the answer, the difference is 1. Next, see, the number is missing here. The number is missing here. They have given only minus 28. Okay, minus 28 is equal to 1. Already they will give you the answer. Okay, they have already given. Okay, they have already given the answer. You have to find the missing number here. Okay, you find the missing number here. Dash minus 28 is equal to 1. What will be the missing digit? Think. What, children? Think. 29. 29. Because 29 minus 28, you will get 1. Okay. See, 29 minus 28. 9 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 2 minus 2 is 0. So it is only 1. The difference is 1. Now 75 minus dash, you have to find here, is 0. Is 0. We learned the rules, the steps. When 0 is subtracted, okay, we get the same number. The difference is the number itself. 75 minus what? The same number. 75 minus 75. When a number is subtracted from itself, okay, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. The difference is always 0. Coming to here, 16 minus 0. Okay, when 0 is subtracted from the number, the difference is always itself. The difference is always itself. 16 minus 0 is 16 itself. Okay, 16 minus 0 is 16 itself. Children, now we are going to see finding the missing numbers. Finding the missing numbers. Okay, in a subtraction fact, if one number is missing, you can find that missing number. Okay, if one number is missing, you can find that number. I'll tell you how to find out. See here, for example, they have given here one number is missing. Minus 7 is 13. We have to find out the missing number. We have to find out the missing number. It's very simple. When you add this 2, you get the missing number. Okay, when you add this 2, you get the missing number. That is, I'm teaching step by step. First you take down the missing number. This is small digit, so you can find out very easily. If you have greater digits, so you have to know the rules. First, missing number. Okay, what is the missing number here? We don't know. Okay, so the missing number, we'll put a box like this, minus the smaller number. If you compare this both, which is the smaller number? Yes, 7. Okay, the 7. Okay, you have to get the answer. Okay, what you get the answer? Dash minus 7 is the answer. You get, this is the difference. You get 13. 13 they have already given. Children, did you understand this concept? I'll tell you once more. Okay, see here, they're asking you to find out the missing number. So to find out the missing number, first write missing number minus smaller number. Missing number minus smaller number. So this is the missing number, this is the smaller number, and the difference, this is the difference. So you have written. To find out the missing number, now what you have to do is, this is the very important. I told you already, we have to add this 2, that is the difference. Here the difference is 13. You have to add, you have to put plus the smaller number. Which is the smaller number? 7. Okay, this is the smaller number. Very carefully find out. Listen, you have to add. So when you add, what you get? 3 plus 7, how much? 10. Okay, so you get, put 0 here, 1, you carry on. Okay, you put 2. Understood, children? So what is the missing number? 20. So you go and write 20. So cross check your answer. 20 minus 7. Okay, how much you get? 20 minus 7. Okay, I'll teach you this step in the next class. Okay, because 0 minus 7, what you have to do? You have to carry on. So 10 minus 7 is 3 and 1, 13. Okay, then your answer is correct. Did you understand? Or shall I tell once more? Okay, see here, 20 minus 7. Okay, we have to find the missing numbers. You have to be very simple is, when you add this both, you get this answer. Let's see one more example. Children, now let's see one more example. Okay, here see the second number is missing. Second number is missing. In first example, we saw the first number was missing. Okay, what? It's very simple concept, children. Just see this number minus with 45. Okay, you'll get the answer. That is the missing number. Okay, very simple. 50 minus 45, you see. Okay, 50 means I don't want to confuse you, so I'm just doing like this. 50 minus 45. 0 minus 5 you can't do, so you will borrow. I'll teach you in the next class how to do by borrowing. So this will become 10 and this will become 4. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the answer is 5. But there is a method. Okay, there is a method, a concept to be followed. So listen carefully. If they give big digits, it's not easy to do like this. So first what they are giving, bigger number. See this? Take this 1 and 2. In this, which is the bigger number? In this, which is the bigger number? 50. So write here 50 minus the missing number. We don't know the missing number. So 50 minus the missing number. The answer is 45. Means the difference. This is the difference. So you write 45. Did you understand this concept? Bigger number. Compare this number and see which is bigger. 50. Then minus missing number. Minus, I have put minus sign here. The missing number we don't know. So I have just written. Then you write the difference. The difference is 45. Now what I already, as I said, take this here. That's all. Bigger number. In this, which is the bigger number? 50 minus difference. Which is the difference? 45. Already we did here. 45. When you subtract this, you get the missing number. The same thing. 10 minus 0 minus 5 you can't do. So you borrow from 5 and this will become 4. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So this is the missing number and you write here. I'll make it clear, children. Listen carefully. The bigger number. Just understand this concept. A simple concept is 50 minus 45 is 5 and you write. But the concept, the rules, okay, have to be followed. Bigger number. Okay, this is the bigger number minus difference. This is the difference. When you minus that, you get the missing number. That is the 5 is the missing number. Children, this year for your maths note also, they have given rule note like other subjects itself. See, you'll have a note like this. First, when you take, you'll get the index page. Write your name and standard. In serial number, write 1, 2. Date, you can leave it empty. Name of the subject. Means first I taught you numbers and number names. You can write the same thing, numbers and number names. Then come to second unit. You can write addition. Isn't it? I taught you addition. And today I have started unit 3, that is subtraction. Okay, write like this. You can leave 2 lines in between. Then turn the page. You can write like this. Your name. Write your name. Standard and section. Third, B1 and B2. For B2 students, you can write B2. Subject, mathematics. School name, Seventh Day Adventist School. Okay, the same thing should be followed for all the subjects in every note. So now turn the next page. Okay, write like this. Unit 1, numbers and number names. Numbers and number names. Take down the 10 new words which I already given in the video. Okay, you can write all the 10 words. Then write down the sums like this continuously. Okay, you can write down the sums what I have given you. See the video and take down neatly and correctly. Okay, the assignments which I have already given, you need not to copy down now. You copy down only the new words and certain problems. From here after, the assignment which I give today, that assignment should be copied in your classwork note itself. Okay, you can write assignment 3 or 4 and copy down in your classwork note itself. For today's assignment, okay, today's homework is fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. If your maths book, you can see in page number 37. Page number 37, you have fill in the blanks. Okay, see here 42 minus 42. Okay, you should write only the answer. You have 9 fill-ups. Do the 9 fill-ups. And when you turn the page, okay, you have find the missing numbers. Find the missing numbers. You have the same 9 problems. Do all this and take a photocopy and send it in Google Classroom. Children, did you understand? If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you.